Piers Morgan has vowed to save the day by offering himself up as a contestant for the new series of Strictly Come Dancing amid ongoing bullying and abuse claims. The broadcaster has claimed the show is being threatened by the snowflake virus as he shared concern that it could result in the BBC show being cancelled. Piers has one condition for appearing on the program, which is to be paired with a partner so tough, brutal and uncompromising that he wins the show. His words come amid a barrage of allegations against the show and its professional dancers, as claims of abuse and bullying from former contestants continue to grow. Strictly Come Dancing professionals are reportedly furious they have been hung out to dry by their ex-celebrity partner as they continue to speak out. However, one person who has not been deterred from appearing is Piers, who sent out a public statement to show execs promising he could save the program. Taking to X on Tuesday evening, he wrote, "Memo to Strictly Come Dancing execs. Given the snowflake virus is now threatening your Sparky show's existence, I am prepared to save the day by being a contestant, but only on one condition, that whoever trains me is so tough, brutal and uncompromising that I win." Piers' post divided his followers, with some agreeing that appearing on the show meant being challenged by those at the top of their game. They said, "A person who understands snowflake, these pro dancers have danced from young, and no can learn a dance is less than a week without hard work and long hours. Ask any world champion, I've seen a few over the years." Well said, Piers. Could not agree more. If you are not prepared to be challenged by dancers at the top of their profession who demand hard work, stay away from the show. Others seemed more amused by the idea of Piers dancing on live television every Saturday night, writing, "Would you seriously do a dance show? Popcorn emoji. I would pay big bucks to watch Piers dance, lol." While some thought Piers was making light of serious claim, writing is objecting to being hit and kicked ground for being called a snowflake now. So complaining about bullying, assault and abuse is snowflake now, is it, Piers? I know one of the complainants, and believe me, they are not scared of hard work in a competitive scenario, but there are limits and that line should never be crossed. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.